Acme Space Debris Monitoring System, the intelligent shield for your assets in orbit. Orbital space is crowded and dangerous. One wrong piece of debris can threaten your entire mission. A single collision could mean losing a multi-million-dollar satellite, sometimes with no warning at all. Worse, one impact can trigger a chain reaction, making entire orbits unusable for everyone. The risks are rising fast. Can you afford to leave your assets exposed to orbital hazards? Meet the Acme Space Debris Monitoring System, here to protect your missions with next-level precision. Our system detects and tracks debris as tiny as 1 centimeter, day and night, in real time. AI-powered algorithms crunch the numbers, predicting collision threats before they can reach your satellite. Instant alerts and simple risk scores let you recognize threats. No guesswork, just data you can trust. Automated recommendations show you the most efficient avoidance maneuvers, saving fuel and extending satellite life. Your dashboard gives you live orbital maps and reports, empowering quick, informed decisions at a glance. With Acme, your missions safely steer clear of danger. Increased success, less risk, more confidence every day. Make proactive, data-driven decisions. No more guesswork or missed threats. Your operations, optimized and future-ready. A safer, more sustainable space environment is possible when you outsmart debris, not just track it. Protect your mission. Secure the future of space. With Acme, your assets are always shielded, no matter what's out there.